1 2 3 microphone check. 1 2 3 microphone check. 1 2 3 microphone check. Okay, microphone works well. Few seconds and we can start. Okay. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Today I'm going to create a new JavaScript library to parse headers from GitHub and GitLab resources. I need this solution to make downloader function to upload all available records from GitHub and GitLab API. But at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys that you have a great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do it, you just need to open my YouTube channel. Click here to get access to all available links and click on the first link. It will open a new page with Google form where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer them in the next videos. So what we are going to do today. As you maybe remember, last few videos I worked on solution with name Eye of God. It's a tool to measure productivity of teammates and to upload data from Jira, TestRail, GitHub and GitLab to see how many stuff we implemented per selected time range. TestRail part is already implemented, Jira part also is implemented, so I need to finish my JavaScript libraries for GitHub and GitLab. And in the last video I stuck with download function to upload more objects when we received in the first time from the server. For this purpose I need to create a new function and I already prepared a task for it. Yeah, I use Jira and Confluent Solution to track progress with development of my JavaScript libraries, and today we are going to work on this one solution. Let's open it. So what we are going to do today. We have some examples in headers from GitHub and GitLab where we receive information about next available data for upload. Here you can see a few examples, right? Example number 1, example number 2. All these links, they are placed in the headers and we need to parse it correctly. So let's start working on this solution. Let's open the first ticket. Let's choose current sprint and let's start working. We need to create a base project. What we are going to do? We will open our GitHub. Yep, I already have 12 libraries. So how we will call this project? Parse links from headers. Okay, main idea of this library created in JavaScript language is to parse data from server response headers and define next link for upload. It can be used for GitHub and GitLab API integrations. Okay, let's generate README file. Let's use Node solution and license is MIT. Let's create repository. Okay, that's one stuff is done. Now we can upload this repository from what is it? GitLab API integration. Yep, I worked on it in my free time, and let's clone our library. Let's refresh it. and let's check it. Parse links. Okay, let's upload data. Done. And let's run Visual Studio Code. Okay, let's open new window. And let's open our project. GitHub, parse, open. So next step, let's create a new branch. We right now are working on this one ticket, GS 225. So let's create new branch. Done. And let's copy existing solutions. So first of all, let's create package.json file. Let's run npm init. Package name QANSIGLIERE. This is my name. Parse links from headers. Let's check server response to be clear. Parse link. Parse link. Okay, version is 001. Let's copy description from index, skip git repository. Let's update it a little bit. Let's change it. Settings, parse link from headers, right? Next step is let's copy the path. GitHub, GitLab, API, headers, response, next, link, key, it will be QANSIGLIERE, KMIT. Okay, package.json file is generated. Let's add QANSIGLIERE. Done. Okay, what is next? Let's upload data. Okay, we have, no, it's updated. Okay, everything is fine now. Let's use test commits, restore it. Parse link from headers. Okay, let's change description here. Parse link key from headers response. Okay, now let's add additional basic information about the project. What do we need after and how you guys can support this project. Next step, it is installation part. We can copy it from here. Done and done. npm I. Okay, it's updated. How to use it? Let's leave it for now and let's provide improvements section and related videos. Related videos we will take from here. Share, copy and paste. Okay, it's done. Now let's do additional stuff. Let's copy Prater setting and GitHub. Okay, it's copied. Now let's install library, TypeScript library. We will use it a little bit later. Done. What next? Let's create folder library. Let's create index file, index.js, and let's create new file, parse link from headers.js. Yeah, we will use JavaScript instead of TypeScript, but we will generate all additional files automatically. Also, we need to remove the folder from gitignore. Which one? This one. Okay, what is next? So far, headers parser, no. Okay, link parser require lib. All right, and let's do model exports, link parser. All right, this part is done, and now let's install Jest to test our solution. Okay, it's installed. So now we can work on function. So what we can do, we can create tests folder, and we can create the test file. Paste test.js. All right, and for function, what we can do? For function, we can do the following stuff. Okay, test script, we should put in package JSON, test, and parse link from headers, all right, parse link key from headers response in GitHub and GitLab. Okay. Okay. So let's do it. Probably everything is prepared. We can commit our first ticket. GS2225. Let's push it. Let's open GitHub. Let's merge changes. Let's refresh GitHub. And let's change some settings in the repository. So first of all, we want to remove branches after merge. And let's upload social media. Why not? Nice. Very nice. Okay, parse link A from headers response in GitHub and GitLab. Looks good. Looks good, so we can move to next one step. Implement functions itself. So this one key can be closed. And let's make another one step. So we have GitLab in GitHub. GitHub. Okay, here is an example. We have link in headers. And we have two values, next and so. Let's do our first test case. Let me remind you how jest works. Jest. Documentation. Okay. Just installed. Running from installation. Okay. To equal. Not bad. So let's put our task case. Do we need to do any import? Probably not. Let's check our test npm test. Okay. So what we are going to do, we will do import var link parser. Index. And what we should do, so let initial data, and it will be a header with one. Let's copy it. Let's copy and paste. Okay, save. Done. What we should receive, we expect from a link parser from initial data. It should return a JSON with two values, next and last. Okay, it's done. So we have this case, now it should fail. All right. Parser is not a function. So now we can start working on the function. So let's do it. Function link parser. It expects headers object and return an array. Okay, model experts link parser. Okay, so it's done. It's done. This one changed. Okay, what is next? Let's do this one. And how we are going to make it work? This one can be closed. We can work on it. Okay, headers. If headers object is true, let result is null. If headers object is not null, we can do any stuff else. We return result. So let's do, in our case, parse valid headers and to be false. Okay, our test case works well. Second one, let's fix the first one. So what we are going to do, if object keys from headers includes link, we do some stuff else, we return result as is. Okay, if it includes link, what we should do, we should parse this string. Okay, we have this one pattern. It will be first one, second one. Okay, it's not good. Let's parse it by comma. All right. So what we do headers link split by comma. Let's check it. Okay, now it's splitted. now we need to remove this one part. Okay, for each x we do x split by this one value rel. Okay, let's check it. X is not defined. Okay, what is the best solution here? Okay, last and next. And what we do? Result is an object, and for each object we do the following stuff. If we do split, we have two items in the array, right? So we do result from let value is this one, so value one is value 0. Let's check it. So how we can fix it? We have two items. How to make substring? Substring in GS. Okay. So what we should do? End number 1, 2. -3. Substring 2, okay, and the same result here. Why not? Let's check it. Mm-hmm. Okay, -2 and -2. And this one. Lost and okay, let's do the following stuff. Trim, save, and let's check it. Lost, come on. Why we do it in so complicated way? It's such stupid approach. What is wrong now? Because okay. Whew, finally it works. Okay. So we can make a commit here. So this one case is solved, right? In progress, sprint, and let's merge it. Oops. Okay, this one case is done, and let's work on the second one case. Let's copy it. JS226. Let's create a new branch. JS226, and okay, let's do it in the second case. Let initial data is equal this one, and we should copy this one, parse GITHUB almost. GitLab and GitHub. Okay, and let's copy this one part. Test, let initial data, and what we should do here. Okay, and first what is wrong? Okay, save. Okay, let's test it. First and next. It's really stupid implementation. Strange brackets, empty spaces. What are you thinking, guys, when you implemented it? Anyway, we have solution. Let's publish it. Switch to main. Let's merge it. And now we can work on solution. On solution for README, how to use it. In case if you work with GitHub and or GitLab API, you need to convert link key value from response headers to upload all available data. This library can't help you with it. How it works. How it works. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's copy the code. Right, let's copy its name. Let headers is console log link parser. You will get such simple response. Okay. Okay, we can. Oh, sorry, forget. We should also generate .ts files. This stuff is required for TypeScript libraries, so let's do it. Done. Done. Yep. Save. And what we can do. Oh no. Oh no, I forget about merge request. Let me delete it. Save. Let me upload. Okay. And now I can generate those files. Okay. Let's close next one ticket. This one can be closed. Done. Test it. This one can be closed too. Let's check it. Okay, JS, new branch, JS, create, bring, switch, publish. Commit, push. Main. Let's merge it. Okay, we can do the following stuff. Upload. V02. Done. Push. Okay, and let's publish it. npm publish. Alright, so parse GitLab can be closed. Test Jira solution. Pull request already merged can be closed. Parse link headers. Let's check npm library. Okay, our library is published. Parse link key from headers response. Okay, so what we are going to do next? First of all, we can close this one epic because function and library itself is implemented. Next one, logical step. Let's open our GitHub library. Right, and let's install. Let's copy it. It's installed, and also let me do the same stuff for GitLab. Okay, what we can do next? What we can do next? We can check. This one can be closed. This one. Okay, let's do it. Let's connect credentials through source command. GitHub. All right. Step number 2. Let's run node index.js. Okay, we have the response itself, right? Link next, link last. Okay, so what we can do? Get reading headers, and let's do turn await link parser from this one, and for link parser require from okay, let's double check. It's no. Why it's no? Await get okay, it returns the result. So this one can be reverted, right? And I think the next one step will be in creation of parser mechanism for GitHub. Where we want to implement it? We want to implement it in constructor or as an additional method. As an additional method. Good question. Okay, let's create a new file. Let's call it utils.js. right? And no. We'll do the function here. Function download. Let's use download method. So what we'll take with URL, right? Okay, base URL, and that's it. Okay, next one step, let's connect link parser function. Require. Okay, and what we will do? Let initial call is get from base URL additional path headers. And true. Okay. So what we will do? Okay. Let final result is return final result. Okay, how we did it in the last time? Okay, so if initial call status is less than 400, we do one stuff else. We do final result equal to initial call response. And link parser from initial call headers is true. Okay. If it's true, we do the following stuff. If link parser next is true, we do one stuff, else we do final result, push, initial call, response. Okay, and we do nothing. So if response is good, we copy push here. If next, what we should do, let next call is get is next. Okay, while next additional path is not null, we do the following stuff. Let next call is get from base URL, next additional path headers true, if next call status is less than 400, we do one stuff, else we do final results push next call response, and next additional path is null. But if it's not, we do final results push next call response, and next additional path is from next call headers. Actually, it should work. Let's check it. Download. Okay, and what should parameters be? Additional path. Let's skip case to collect additional path and headers. Okay, get pull request. Okay. From here, let's remove headers. Okay, and let's check it. Okay. So let's debug our function. We do get call, right? Link next. Okay, and from here we can remove it. Save. No. But why it's no? Why it's no? If return all. Okay. Mamma mia, I'm stupido. Await. Await. Async. Oh, el stupid. Now it should work. Almost. Almost it should work. Okay. Okay, what we can do next? Let's check it. Base URL. console log from initial call response. Okay, I have an issue. I have an issue. Okay, and node models, link parser. Okay, let's open our library. Okay, here it works. Here it works, but here it doesn't work. Alright, let's remove substring and let's remove substring here. Save. Okay, next, last, next. Replace all. Okay, let's change the version and let's publish it. Push. Okay, npm publish. And from here, let's remove one branch. Okay, and let's create another version. Done. This one done. So here we can close the project. From here, npm uninstall this one. Okay, so if we run here, from here it works. Okay. Okay, we will need to make some improvements in JavaScript library for calls for REST API, but technically it should work. Next call. Let's check it. Well, next additional path is Okay. Anyway, the method works, it's good. So next time we will work on this one part. Implement pagination. Okay, it's GS. It is GS19. Okay, okay. Let me check files, parse. Alright, and GitHub. Come on. Come on, come on. Okay, not bad. Not really bad. This one is done. Great achievement, guys. Thank you for your time. Today that's it. See you later. Feel free to subscribe to the channel.